Hi guys, pretty unusual start to the video, but yeah. So let's start it again. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sakshi and in today's video we are going to do some skincare. I mean, look at my face when I talk about skincare. So this video is all about one particular brand which is recently started. Like it's been quite a while, but the products are all homegrown, all natural. They're toxin free, they're paraben free, and they're handmade with love. So basically, I'm talking about this particular brand which is called Products by Mohini, and it's been near to 2 months since she has sent me this particular package filled with these 4 products. And yeah, so today's video is all about them. I have used them, I've tried and tested them properly just to give you proper reviews of it and let you know that you don't have to really go for fancy brands to do skincare, and you can always rely on something natural as well. So along with these 4 products, she also sent me this handmade letter. It is addressed to me, and it says a lot of things about the brand and about me. So thank you, Mohini, for this. So it's time to introduce you with the products itself. The very first one is the coffee scrub. As soon as you open this particular container, the smell of coffee takes your heart away. I mean, if you are a coffee lover, you're going to enjoy this because I freaking enjoy this. I mean, I don't know if you can relate, but this smells divine, trust me. Moving on to the second product, this one is a French green clay mask. This one's mainly for those people who have problem of oil. They get a lot of oil on their face and they really need to control it. Mine is basically a very dry skin type, but sometimes my skin reacts very weirdly and I get oil on my face, and I need this for that time because I'm not used to oily skin type at all. The third one is wine gel. You can see the consistency. This one is in proper gel form. This one really helps your skin to stay hydrated and you can use it as a night mask. The fourth product she sent me is lip and cheek tint. This one is made of shea butter. So since this particular brand is all natural and handmade and it's toxin free, these products have very little or nil amount of preservatives, which makes is much better for your skin because the lesser amount of preservatives you use in your skincare, the better it is. Now the part where I'm going to use these products on my face because yeah, it's a skincare because I need a skincare. So I have full face of makeup and I am going to do skincare right here, right in front of you. So let's get started.
Okay, I'm all set for my skincare. So first things first, I'm going to remove my makeup.
Mind you, Products by Mohini also have makeup removal balm, and I don't have it right now with me, but I have seen it. She's got it.
So for today, I'll be using this micellar water from the brand Simple. A little bit of that. So you must be wondering that why I started with full face of makeup for this video.
The thing is, the people who do a lot of makeup, they really need to do skincare properly, and I thought that this would be really relatable. अलग से time निकाल के skincare करना is not everyone's cup of tea. You can always do it after you're removing your makeup. A quick skincare is what we all need once in a week. So yeah. And it's time for coffee scrub. I'm going to scrub it directly. I'm not going to wash my face because it is going to happen any which ways. So starting with coffee scrub, I'll just be putting it on my face. Look at the consistency of this particular scrub.
So I'll tell you a story behind the scrub situation. The thing is, I don't use scrubs available in the market at all. Don't really go for those apricot scrubs or walnut scrubs. मुझे बहुत डर लगता है कि मेरी skin बहुत tear up हो जाएगी उससे, and that is one of a true thing. It happens. A lot of brands, they fool you, and the particles are not really walnut or apricot. They are just plasticky substance which end up harming your skin. So whatever scrub you use, just be very sure of it कि आप कौन सा scrub use कर रहे हो.
This particular one, I spoke to her personally before she sent me this product, and she convinced me the coffee particles she used are really authentic and are really fine, and they don't have harsh edges. So it's been a month. I had posted about these products on my Instagram, and a few of my followers bought coffee scrub, and they were really happy. I really see their messages coming that coffee scrub, the smell of it, the payoff of this coffee scrub is so good, and I'm really happy because this is one thing which I really loved from the package itself, and I'm using it. I know, right? I should not talk like this, but I know I look very weird, but guys, facts are facts. I need to put it out there. So I'll quickly go and wash it off now. Alright, I'm back and my skin feels really nice. One thing about this coffee scrub is this literally awakens your skin and it really cleanses properly because of its particles. So in case you want to exfoliate once in a while, you can literally go for this particular product. I would totally recommend this because I am in love with this one. Mostly I stay indoors and I have dry skin type, so I use this once in a week. If you go out very often or you have different skin type than mine, then you can use it twice in a week and just keep 2 to 3 days of gap in between of the usage and you're good to go. Second one is going to be French green clay mask, and mind you, this one's got lemongrass and neem extracts. It will clear up all dead skin cells. It will also help in cleansing the pores and giving you, you know, that firmness on your face. Since it's got neem, it will really help your skin to get healed, and also it will control the oils if you have on your face.
I should have used the brush, but let it be. I just started anyways. बहुत इंस्टा बॉडी हो जाता है ना अगर आप ब्रश या ऐसा कुछ यूज़ करते हो फेस मास्क के लिए. आई मीन फैंसी सा दिखता है. आई शुड हैव डन इट टू.
Anyways, if you're into skincare, clay mask are really good for your skin.
स्किन केयर में ग्रीन क्ले मास्क का अपना ही एक वेटेज है. आई मीन इट्स सो सच अ फैंसी थिंग टू यूज.
This is it, and now I'm going to let it dry for 10 minutes, I think, and yeah, I think I'll be good to go. Okay, so 10 minutes are up and I am now going to wash it off. Okay, my reviews. I just washed my face after French green clay mask and I would want to tell you that the freshness it gives to your face, ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ ठंडा ठंडा लगा लिया चेहरे पे. यू नो, बर्फ़ लगाने के बाद जो फीलिंग आती है वैसी फीलिंग आती है इसको लगाने के बाद. एंड इट रियली फ्रेशन्स अप my skin. I don't use it very often. I use once in every 2 weeks and that is how I've used it till now. And whenever I use it, I feel like this one literally pulls all the oil off my skin. One thing I would want to put out there कि अगर आपकी skin oily भी है, then also you should not use it very often because your skin needs that oil जो produce कर रही है. That is why it is producing it that much. So don't use excessive products to control the oil. Just use 1 or 2 products which controls the extra oil on your skin and don't use them very often. Just be very careful with the skincare products because अगर आप skincare products अच्छे भी use कर रहे हो और उनको गलत तरीके से use कर रहे हो, then it can create a problem for you and then we end up blaming the product itself. So this one works really nice for me in terms of controlling oil on my face whenever I get it. So yeah. Now talking about the third skincare product, it is a wine gel. This particular gel is mainly used as a night cream. So if I show you the consistency of this particular product, this one's got, so this one is a very creamy gel and it's got blend of wine in it. You just need very little of the product to spread it all over and it works really amazing. Since I'm going to moisturize my face after the mask, and I'm not going to use it right now because I use it in the night time before I sleep and it really tightens up my pores and it works really amazing. It gives me a fresh skin in the morning to work upon, and this is one thing which I really use before sleeping nowadays, and it has replaced my aloe vera gel completely for now. So all 3 products I showed you right now are in the packaging of 50 grams and are available on her Instagram handle. Now talking about the last product, and it is lip and cheek tint. This one is in the shade of wine and I can use it right now and show you. The payoff of this particular lip and cheek tint is so good. If I blend it, like suppose if I put it on my cheeks and if I blend it like this, it really gives that nice flush of, you know, pink or whatever shade you're using. She's got different shades in this particular one, so you can always go and ask her for different shades. The purpose of cheek tints are that they make your skin look really plump and fresh and really nice. Whenever I'm not in mood of putting lipstick, I use this lip and cheek tint because it gives really nice, you know, color to my lips. And if I talk about its longevity, this one stays for quite long, guys. I mean 2 to 3 hours it literally stays, and it's very buttery and yeah, I just love using it, so I think it's a good buy according to that. Now talking about products by Mohini, so her Instagram handle is called products by Mohini, and I'm going to link it down below in the description box, so please do check it out. Also you can go and check out on my Instagram page. I have a highlight on my page where I've showed these products, so you can also go and find her page from there. So in case you are into natural skincare, that too paraben free, toxin free, chemicals free, just go and check out her page. Do like her page, follow her page. If you have any queries, ask me or ask her directly. I'm sure we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Talking about my experience of using these products in last 2 months, I haven't got any allergies, I haven't got any skin issues or pimples due to these particular products. Now coming to the main part, if you're ordering from her page, just use my code Sakshi SAKSHI15 to get discounts. If you're using my coupon code Sakshi15, you'll be getting discounts up to 15%. So what are you waiting for? Go check out her page, order your skincare and do your skincare and be happy, because this is a kind of self-love which you should do and you should not avoid. So if you like this video, like and share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram, follow Mohini's page on Instagram, follow Products by Mohini on Instagram, use my discount code which is Sakshi15. Until then, keep doing skincare. I'll see you very, very soon. Bye bye.